Briefing on December 23, 2024, Trump's sexual assault case and threats to the Panama Canal. Key points *. 1. A New York court ruled that ABC must pay $15 million in damages to the Trump Presidential Library, as host George Stephanopoulos repeatedly falsely claimed on air that Trump was convicted of the sexual assault against former columnist Carroll. 2. Trump was found liable for sexual harassment against Carroll in 2019 and ordered to pay $5 million. In another defamation case, he was ordered to pay $83.3 million. Trump denies the allegations and has stated he will appeal. 3. Trump has threatened to regain control of the Panama Canal, accusing Panama of charging excessive tolls and asserting that he will not allow the canal to fall into the wrong hands, implying potential Chinese influence. 4. This move by Trump is unusual, as the U.S. controlled the canal for a long time until it was handed over to Panama in 1999. Legally, he has no authority to reclaim control over the canal. Trump has previously considered annexing Canada and purchasing Greenland. Overall, these events highlight the controversies surrounding Trump regarding sexual assault allegations and foreign policy, reflecting his hardline approach that disregards international law, which warrants close attention. Briefing on December 23, 2024, movements of Trump's team. 1. On April 2, 2023, the Manhattan District Attorney's Office charged former President Trump with over 30 criminal counts, marking the first time in U.S. history that a former president has faced criminal charges. The charges involve payments made to 2 adult film stars during the 2016 presidential election. 2. Trump claims this is a result of Democrats' obsession with arresting Trump, labeling it as blatant election interference. Republican Senator Ted Cruz described the charges as unprecedented and a catastrophic escalation of weaponizing the justice system. 3. In November 2023, Trump announced the members of his technology policy team on his social media platform, Truth Social. The team will be led by David Sachs, Trump's Director of AI and Cryptocurrency Policy. 4. Key members include former White House Chief Technology Officer Michael Kratsios, who will lead the Office of Technology Policy, former Deputy Chief Technology Officer Lynn Parker as Executive Director of the President's Council of Advisors on Science and Technology, former Republican congressional candidate Bo Hines leading the President's Digital Asset Advisory Committee, and Sriram Krishnan, a senior figure from companies like Andreessen Horowitz, X, Meta, and Snap, serving as AI policy advisor. In summary, Trump remains highly active amid legal disputes and political struggles while preparing for future political maneuvers by assembling a strong technology policy team. These developments warrant close monitoring. Briefing on December 23, 2024, Trump's Truth Social case. Key points *. 1. On August 20, 2023, a grand jury in Fulton County, Georgia, indicted 19 individuals, including former President Trump, on 41 counts, with Trump facing 13 charges. They are accused of refusing to accept Trump's electoral defeat in Georgia and nationwide in 2020, knowingly participating in a conspiracy to illegally alter election results to favor Trump. 2. Trump denies the allegations of election tampering, asserting, "I did not interfere with the election." His 2024 presidential campaign team claims the prosecutor's indictment is election interference. Trump has previously called for the recusal of the prosecutor, citing her biased public statements on the case. 3. This is the 4th criminal case Trump faces, following charges in New York City, Miami, and Washington, D.C. Unlike impeachment and congressional conviction, state-level criminal convictions do not legally affect Trump's campaign, but state prosecutors cannot be pardoned by the president. 4. According to the indictment, Trump and his aides repeatedly attempted to persuade the Georgia Republican-led state legislature to present allegations of election fraud and organized individuals to impersonate legitimate electors. Additionally, Trump sought to illegally obtain signature verification results related to Georgia's elections. 5. Despite facing numerous charges, Trump plans to hold a press conference next Monday in Bedminster, New Jersey, to present what he claims are irrefutable evidence of election fraud in Georgia during the 2020 presidential election. In summary, Trump finds himself embroiled in significant legal disputes once again during the 2024 presidential campaign, yet he continues to fight back in various ways, attempting to overturn the election results. This ongoing political and legal struggle will be a major focus of the 2024 election. Briefing on December 23, 2024. Topic: Indian 18-year-old chess player George Stephanopoulos defeats Chinese player Ding Liren to become the youngest chess world champion in history. Key information points *. 1. On December 12, 2024, at the Chess World Championship held in Singapore, 18-year-old Indian chess player George Stephanopoulos defeated Chinese player Ding Liren, becoming the youngest chess world champion ever. 2. The match was described as intense and almost a draw. Despite both players making very precise moves, Stephanopoulos ultimately won due to a critical mistake made by Liren in the later stages of the game. 3. The previous world champion was Russian player Garry Kasparov, who won the title at the age of 22 in 1985. Stephanopoulos achieved this title at 18, earning him the title of chess prodigy. Briefing summary *. 18-year-old Indian chess player George Stephanopoulos defeated Chinese player Ding Liren at the Chess World Championship in Singapore, becoming the youngest chess world champion in history. The match was fiercely contested, with Stephanopoulos capitalizing on a key mistake by Liren to secure victory. Stephanopoulos' achievement breaks the record set by Garry Kasparov, who won the World Championship at 22 in 1985, and he is celebrated as a chess prodigy. Briefing *. In 2024, the Trump administration formed an unprecedented billionaire cabinet. Reports indicate that 15 billionaires have been appointed to key government positions, including notable figures such as Tesla CEO Elon Musk and hedge fund manager Ken Griffin. This situation is rare in U.S. history, with the last similar occurrence dating back to the Harding administration in the 1920s. The Harding administration was characterized by the influence of business tycoons, with several wealthy cabinet members, such as Treasury Secretary Andrew Mellon. They exploited government power for their own businesses, leading to government corruption and ultimately resulting in the Teapot Dome scandal. Meanwhile, the Trump administration faces similar issues. Critics argue that the role of these billionaires in government may conflict with public interests. They fear a repetition of the historical patterns seen during the Harding era, jeopardizing American democracy. Overall, the Trump administration's billionaire cabinet has sparked widespread attention and concern. This practice is rare in U.S. history and could have serious negative implications. Future scrutiny of these wealthy individuals in government is essential to ensure they do not abuse their power and uphold public interests.